Okay, due to the package size dimension are limited by some carriers like FedEx or UPS, when it's over 96 inches, we have to cut the track in half, sometimes even more sections for transportation purpose. So when you get a track, if that is cut, then you will unfold it. Okay, make sure the belt is strict inside the channel, didn't come out along the track, and then we can pull this buckles together and it would come together, and then turn around the track. There's a connector here. We will lose the screws a little bit, just a little bit. Those may be loose already. So once you lose the screws and the slide, try to slide like to the other section of the track and make sure that would come. We have to lose, sometimes we have to lose the track and then put it back. So once we move that together, we want to make sure that it's moving, so the belt is circulating properly. So once we have two screws on each side, then we will tighten it. We'll hold it tight, make sure the joints are joined together good. We'll tighten it just a little bit, not too tight, just tight enough that you feel the tension. You just feel okay. You don't have to really tighten it, because we want to make sure the joint here is come together without any uneven, so we can feel it. Actually, you don't feel anything that is uneven. That is good. You want to make sure this is correct. So once you got it tightened, sometimes if it is not even, you may be able to like twist it a little bit or loose the screws a little bit and then tighten it again while you're tightening it, and make sure it is even. So that's how we fix it in case there's an uneven joint. Okay, but most of the time they should be perfectly joined. Okay, so once we tighten it, we will connect this with the E-spacer, connect these two together. Okay, and make sure that goes the whole track, like without hesitation, Yeah, okay. So it feels good. Okay. So what we do is we add the first hook on it to the first runner. We'll add this. Okay, we slap into it. Okay, because we want to hold them together, and that's the connector. So we put them together like this, right? So that's how they come together. And the screws, we want to make sure that they come in. All right. Once you got it in, put the first. Oops. Put it in. Okay. Okay. We'll try to put the first one here. Okay. Okay, then we'll put a second screw. Okay, we'll really tighten these two screws. Okay, make sure they're tight. Make sure they're tight. Okay, so that's it. So again, okay. If you want, you can put the motor in and test it on the floor. Make sure it runs smoothly, and then unplug it and do the mounting. But basically, that's how you put the track together. All right.